What's up, guys? Welcome to my video. Today I am going to show you the daily life of our young bull who live in the wild. It's okay to feel sad, angry, or frustrated when things are tough. Don't try to bottle up your emotions. Allow yourself to feel what you see in this video. Their life are more harder than you. He is going to cut the wood. He will make spear by using wood stick. His spear is almost ready in use, so he can start the hunting day. Stingray is a great fish to grill. Simply grill the stingray with firewood, season with salt and pepper, and grill over medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes per side or until cooked through. His stingray barbecue is done. It has looked so good. If you're interested in learning more about this topic, you can click subscribe and follow my Facebook page. Thanks again for watching.